Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the remaining characteristics of business activities that may be a dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. So see here we are having a fourth character that is dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. So business involves the dealing in a goods or services on a regular basis. It means a day to day, it is a one of a day to day activity. Business means it is a one of a day to day activity. Regularly we are going to sell the goods and we are going to provide the services to the business, to the customer with the help of business. So here only one time if you sold the goods, then it cannot be called as any business. If a dealing can be called as a business, then it should be continue process. It means a day to day we are going to sell the goods in the regular basis. That may be a here a one single transaction of a sale of a purchase, therefore does not consist as a business. So if any activity you are going to considered as a business activity or the business transaction, then it should be in a regular basis. It means continually you can sell the goods to the customer, then only it can called as the business activity. So we are having one example, that is if a person sell his or her domestic radio set even at a profit, it will not be considered as a business activity. See here what happens, one person is going to sell his own radio to the another person. Here he is not doing any business, he is going to sell his own radio for the another person, and for that transaction he is going to get a profit. But he has sold that goods only for a single time. It means a one time he is going to sell that. In this situation it cannot called as a business. So if any activity called as a business, then it should be a regular basis. It means continually they want to be sell the goods to the customer, then only it can called as the business activity. So if any activity called as the business activity, then it should be sell or the provide the services in a regular basis. Okay, so next we are having a character that is a profit earning. Any business started, then they have started to provide the goods and services to the purpose to earn a profit. Profit is the main motto of an a business. So if business are started, then their main purpose is to earn a profit. So one of the purpose of the a business is to earn income by a way of profit. It means how they are going to receive the profit. A profit can be received on the basis of the buying and selling of goods and services. Through the help of buying and selling of goods and services, they are going to earn a profit. That profits they are going to invest in the further development. They are going to use that a profit or the income to the development or the growth of an business. So this is another one future of an or the it is one of another character of the business activity. Okay, so business activity having another future, another character, that is called as the, it is a one of the a profit oriented business, or the it is having another character that is a profit earning. Next we are having uncertainty of returns. Uncertainty of return means here a business refers to an activity, the lack of knowledge relating to the amount of money that the business is going to earn a given period. Every business invested a money to run its activity with the objective of earning a profit. So here what happens, uncertainty return. Uncertainty return means the business organizations are started to earn a profit. Okay, so see here what happens, uncertainty of return means the investment which you have made, that can be returned back or that cannot be returned back. It means we don't know how much profit we are going to get in the future, how much amount we are receiving through the help of business, that we don't know. That is uncertainty of return. It means fixed return we cannot expect from the business. Sometimes a profit will be increases, sometime profit decreases. So that is uncertain, we cannot fix. Take an example, we think in the 2020 we can earn a more profit, but what happens with the help of coronavirus, we are going to get a losses. That is uncertain, it cannot be having in any hand, any one hand. So future is uncertain. For that reason, the profit which we are going to earn in a future, that unexpected. So unexpected means sometimes the more profit we can get, sometimes we can get a more losses. That is depending upon the market condition and depending upon the situation how it is changing. Depending upon that, the return will be dependent. So here, uncertainty of return means a future cannot predict what will be happen in a future. So for that reason, the profit which we are earning, that is depending upon the market condition and what are the activity we are conducting in the business. Depending upon that, a business, the return or the money which we are receiving from the business, that is differs. Okay, so here, when uncertainty of returns, why we are calling, because the it refers to a lack of a knowledge. We are not having a proper knowledge about the future. We cannot know about the what will be happen in the next, what will be happen in the future, that we cannot knowing. For that reason, there is uncertainty of returns we are going to get through the help of business activity. So next character we are having, that is element of risk. What is meant by risk? Risk is the Risk is the uncertainty associated with an exposed to the losses. It is caused by an some unfavorable or the undesirable events. So what happens in the business, we cannot expect that other things will be happen in the business. So that may be a changes in the customer. So there is a changes in the demands we are having, a changes in the fashions, changes in the methods of production. Okay, then there is the more competition in the market. So fire occurs, theft occurs, accident, natural climatical changes we are going to happen in the business. So these are the risk we are going to get in the business. So in the business, we are going to have a uncertainty associated with the exposure to a losses. So what happens in the business, there is the some unexpected things happen in a business. Through that, we are going to get a losses. So how the losses can be earned? With the help of some reasons we are having, that is a change in the demands, change in the fashions, change in the method of production. Okay, strikes we are having, lockouts we are having, and there is the lockouts in the workplace. We are going to get a theft or the fires. So these are the unexpected things or the uncertainty things we are going to get through the help of business. So these are the risk we are going to get in the business. So that is called as element of risk. Easy is the another one character of the business activity. Okay, so business activity is having a sum of a character. That character will be, once again I will repeat, see here, that is first one, economic event or the economical activity. Business is one of a economical activity. Through the business, with the help of business, we are going to earn a profit. Okay, so it is if any activity conducting a business for the earning a profit, then it called as a economical activity. Next, production or a procurement of a goods and services. With the help of business, we are going to either produce the goods or we can buy that products from the any person and we can sell to the another person. Next, we are having a sale or exchange of goods and services. With the help of business, we are going to sell the goods and we provide the services to the customer, and it called as a business activity. Next, a dealing in a goods and services on the regular basis. It means single times we are not going to sell, again and again we are going to sell the goods to the customer. Next, we are having a profit earning. So one of the main purpose of the business is to earn a profit. There is the intention to earn a profit, they have started the business. Then uncertainty of returns. Returns means the whatever the investment we have made, we cannot predict the particular amount we will get the return from the business, that is uncertain. Sometimes we can get a more profit, sometimes we can get the less profit. Okay, so next we are having a element of risk. Risk means it leads to the losses. If anything changes will be happen, that leads to the losses. So uncertainty associated with the exposure to the losses. So what happens, uncertainty happens in the business, then it going to get the losses from the business. Okay, so these are the some of the character regarding to the business activity. So remaining concept we'll see in the next class. Thank you.